What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. So more than many reasons on why I don't like customers supplying us with their own parts is one, they're buying the cheapest garbage shit that they can find online that doesn't fit, and they don't understand, well, why won't you install my stuff? Because it doesn't fit right. This fits like shit, but I'm not going to get into that. So it's no secret that the spring bolts that go up into the exhaust manifold are 8/125, and these are 10 millimeter. So what are you going to do with these? Stick them up your ass? They will not fit into the manifold. The front pipe gasket to manifold where the spring bolts go, that gasket was wrong. This is probably right, but what does it matter? So if you're doing this in your driveway, they might as well not even have sold you this, because these are 10 mil and they're 8 mil. And the gasket that was in this to install it was completely wrong. So what are you gonna do? Run to the parts store, go buy another $20 or $30 spring kit that fits right? And another gasket for $10 or $20. So if you bought this shit for $90, or which I doubt it, probably $150 online.
Yeah.
Then you gotta go to your parts store.
Drop another 60
bucks. Instead of just taking it to your trusty mechanic and letting him handle the whole thing. But we'll keep all this stuff for something that it will fit.
Yeah.